Remember when they hate, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you, and you didn't fall through. Now you hit yourself and look at me, look at me. You made it.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? As y'all can tell already, man, we already got the garage open. So unfortunately, y'all don't get to hear the garage door open. But today we are going to go pick up a new car. My JDM people, y'all are going to love this. I'm pretty sure y'all are going to be happy with what's about to go down. So I don't want to drag out the intro. Let's just go ahead and get into today. About to jump in the Kia, and then I'll talk with y'all a little bit more once we get there. But my JDM people, y'all are gonna be happy. Alright, what's good, what's good? Y'all see the RX-8. We have my guys. He ain't even a car nigga no more. He's just bike life Lex.
Nah, cuz. That ain't me.
Yama Lex.
Nigga.
It's your Chinese name. Yama Lex son.
That don't have a ring to it, but
It
we'll
do.
go with it for a minute.
Nigga, his name is officially Yama Lex now on the channel. Yama Lex.
Cuz. Nah, cuz.
What you doing?
Dumb irrelevant shit. It's just a little, you know what I mean? Little dumb shit. These stupid ass seats that ain't made for you to really ride on unless you want to bust your nuts. They don't come equipped for factory hardware, so just irrelevant shit. I'm making it work, you know what I'm saying? Nigga rigging it, you know what I mean? We're shaking.
Shit.
Yeah.
Hi, so we're about to unload the RX-7. The car that I'm actually getting is from Lex. RX-7 getting ready to come out the trailer. My guy parked a little too close to the gate and couldn't get the get the last ramp out. But I think that should be good. Good money. What? Oh, he's trying to. Okay, go ahead. Man, you don't even need those.
I know.
You acting like you low. You ain't even that low.
It ain't. But it's good habits, you know what I'm saying? Feel like. Yeah, I'm gonna hook it a little bit more. Cause I mean my car is garbage, but I ain't gonna back it into the garbage can, you know what I mean?
Nah, you got that.
Nah, Mike.
My ears. Fart, 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 fart. I can't hear shit you're saying. This thing's loud, it hurts. Ear piercing. All right, so for my people that follow on IG and y'all keep up to date in the community center on YouTube, you guys know what this car is already. So let me show y'all, no further ado, the car that we picking up is bam, a SC300. And the reason why we're picking this car up is because for the most part the body is super clean minus the front, but already got another front and all kind of stuff going on here. So the plan is I'm gonna be swapping everything from my SC over into this car. You guys know that we've had body shop nightmares, tired of dealing with body shops. The reason why I haven't drove the SC even though it's done is because it still needs to go to the body shop to get painted, the Bondo taken off. So instead of waiting for a body shop to do all that, I decided to pick up my boy's SC300. And this car has a lot of history behind it. It's actually Lex's brother's, one of the homies that passed away a couple years ago. So, you know, it's gonna be dope to bring this car back. I've been trying to get Lex to do something to it for hella long. I was trying to tell him to do a 1J and all kind of stuff, and then I was telling him I was looking for another SC just to swap everything over, and he was just like, bro, why don't you take my brother car? So yeah, man, this car's gonna be the new chassis. It's gonna be retiring the old one because I'm just so tired of all the Bondo and everything. And, you know, times has changed. I build cars a lot different now compared to when I was younger, just bucket seats and everything, sheet metal panels, whereas now I really appreciate a car that has full interior, AC and everything. So going forward this time, I'm not going to wide body this car. I'm going to be painted back white, painting the engine bay when it comes out, and just going to be a stupid clean OEM car with 1,000+ HP. So no wide body, no crazy body kit. I'm planning on doing just 97+ aero, maybe CCW classics or something, just to complement the stock body. Drag radios and just something that just works and just looks low key. So that's gonna be the plan for this thing. But it has the gray interior in there, which is a plus. I was only looking for one with the with black or gray interior. I was actually preferring the gray interior just because you rarely ever see it. This fool, when I was asking him what color interior was, he was like, it's tan. I get here and I'm like, bro, what? They got the grays in here?
I'll never look at this car.
The grays? Yeah, only thing it needs is another steering wheel. It's easy shmoney though. We'll swap this thing out, put a double dent in here from my SC. For the most part, interior is pretty clean. Back seats, everything. Overall, it's a pretty clean car. Dirty as hell right now, but no real dents or anything. No damages the front. But we'll be swapping that with a 97+ anyway. My old carbon fiber hood will be going on here, old carbon fiber trunk. So I may possibly even paint my carbon white just to color match everything up. But yeah, we'll get this thing loaded up right now. It does run, has a freaking NA2J in it. If anything, disassembled this.
NA2J, you mean a 2J?
It's an NA2J.
No, it's just a 2J.
Yeah, it's an NA2J. We got a
GE.
Nigga
said an NA2J.
NA2J. You know, the strong weak one. It's the strong block, but the weak one.
This nigga crazy.
If anything, I'll pull these heads and everything off, keep the block. I don't want to even do an NAT on here just because of the distributor, so it's almost better to just do an IS300 setup.
That just shows how boost related you are.
NA2J.
A 2J.
NA2J. Got headlights, everything for it. It's gonna be clean. Can't wait. Looking forward to having just a stupid clean OEM car. Look, no dents. Not bad. Not bad at all. Look. Ooh. Start right up. Look at that stock body. Clean stock body. Picked up some 97+ tail lights yesterday. So the 97+ lights are gonna be going on. Look at that clean stock body. That's a little something right here, but clean stock body. Clean little stock body. Ah, come on.
I forgot about that. Hey, get me closer on the right side.
All right.
I forgot how big it is. Oh, yeah. The money did clear already.
Yeah, money's in there.
Yeah. Okay. I was looking like, come on, but all right.
You got paid.
Alright, yeah.
It's my car now. We shove this back in there. What is this? It's like plastic? It is.
Yeah. Yeah, they're just little plastic rods.
So y'all remember when I went and picked up my Cummins? I brought it over here because this fool Lex is a huge Ram lover. So Lex went and picked up him a Ram 1500 Hemi. Look at that. Stupid clean interior. Stupid clean. Me and my guy are Ram boys. Pause. Alright, so we getting a new SC over here. Have to go in here and check out the other SC that this thing is gonna be replacing. Let's crack it with you. What's up, dog? Is this the 2J one?
Nah, 2J one's over there. It's almost done. It's the RB one. The better engine.
Cap. Cap. Man, what Benny over here doing already?
I get this shit done in a couple of days, man.
Already taking it apart?
Yeah.
Motor getting ready to come out?
Well, we're probably just gonna drop subframes. I think that's gonna be the easiest thing.
Drop.
Yeah, so just get everything, drop it, get your oil pan back tomorrow, put it back in, get the white SC over there, and then just swap it.
Sounds good to me.
It'll be nice to have like a complete car to get like little things, you know, little details like that, little grommet, get your AC going, heater hoses.
I know, there's too much shit missing out here. It's like annoying.
And you're gonna keep it stock body, right? So
Yeah, I'll take my panels and stuff off and keep them, but yeah.
I'll pull them off and I'll raffle this thing off, see how I do.
Yeah, have fun.
Somebody wants this for sure.
Who knows, you know, maybe I'll buy another something. But I'll keep the wide body just in case. But yeah, this thing is going bye-bye. There's just too much dumb stuff. Like, I don't know where the window cowl stuff went. This fool lost my light support stuff. Missing the fog light. Just hella little dumb stuff. Plus the trim right here got scratched up from Twinkie. Then there was a gang of Bondo still right here that still needed to be cut out. So, I mean, other than body work, it was just like whatever. See, this one has all the LRB panels. Oh, well, it had. They already took it all off. So yeah, all the stuff's gonna be coming out. But the other car will continue to keep stock interior. Might just swap my Nardi steering wheel to the other car with the quick release setup. Radio, BTI gauge, all that's getting swapped. Carbon trunks getting swapped. We'll definitely be pulling the tail lights and stuff off of here. Surge tank, not sure. Maybe, possibly. Swapping surge tank. I don't know yet. OG SC, this thing's gonna be gone.
Anything that needs to go in a bag?
So when y'all gonna have the motor out?
Tomorrow will be dropped. I'm actually gonna go drop this off at ALC finally.
Oh, so they can start my build? So this is my second 2J.
I just talked to Jimmy today.
My second JZ. I got hella parts at the house with this thing. Manifolds, turbo.
Internals.
Yeah, billet mains, everything. So this is gonna be a similar build to this one. This one makes almost 1100, but this is just have smaller cams, smaller turbo, instead of it being super peaky like this one. Because this one I think revs to like almost 9 grand. This one will have this one revving to like, yeah, R-Tech.
You got the R-Tech manifold?
This one will rev to like 75, but the goal is to make like 800 plus with 800 plus torque. So matching horsepower and torque numbers is what I'm going for. All right, so I guess we kind of got a game plan on how much of this we're swapping to the other car and what we're gonna be doing, if we're gonna be making this a roller, etc. So yeah, little game plan. So something that we were talking about off camera that I'm kind of like prematurely telling y'all about is on Sunday, I'm supposed to be going to check out a MK4 Supra. I've been wanting the MK4 Supra for hella long, so we're still planning on swapping this motor into the other SC because I want the SC to be faster than the Supra. The Supra I kind of want, just how I was telling you guys, I want a faster spool and turbo, more of a street car setup. I'm not looking to make 1,000, so probably 800 to 900 would be the max on that car, but just an overall fun driving car, because this already makes 1,000 plus with the 300ZX trans. So all I would do is put this trans combo on the other motor, like I said, 900 horsepower, single disc clutch, and just make that a fun Supra street car type ordeal. That way I can still use some of the stuff off here. And then the other SE will be getting the T56 setup, so I need to order a Grannis transmission combo. Extremely expensive, but yeah, unless I find other options, because 12 grand for the Grannis kit. It's like, woo. So yeah, this setup really needs a twin disc or a triple disc, so it has to happen. Needs a trans that's gonna be able to hold the power. This thing should still make over 1,200 horsepower. But yeah, I'm looking forward to swapping this to a new chassis, man. I really love this car. This car is maybe who I am, I guess you could say, over the last couple years. Kind of like held the channel down. It sucks because we had this great idea for it. Engine bay got all painted. Like, this is supposed to be a super sick car, and it just, man, dealing with other shops and body shops and shit just turned me off this car so much. So, you know, now plans change. I feel like starting over is the best option for something cleaner, and that's what we're gonna do, man. So for my SC people, y'all still get an SC, but you guys also may possibly be getting a Supra in the following week, so look out for that. You know, I've been wanting the MK4 Supra hella long, so I really feel like it's probably about that time to make it happen. And we still got the 350Z up there. All right, coming over here one last time, check out my guy Scotty's shop, getting some super motivation. I'm not gonna be going this crazy with mine, but Scotty, are you here? He ain't here.
He's right there on the TV.
Where?
He's in Montville.
Oh, snaps.
Breaking records.
Okay. Man, I was coming to tell him I'm about to probably pick up a Supra this weekend.
Oh, yeah?
Finally. Yeah. Well, tell him Mike came by.
Will do, man.
All right, game plan set. New SC. Getting ready to get the old swapperoo. All right, bye-bye. I'm about to make your brother proud.
Oh, absolutely.
That's how you know it's love. I'm about to make the SC faster than the Supra. I feel like that makes the most sense because everybody expects a Supra to be hella fast.
Nah, the SC's the roller, boy. Get the joint.